estimating. And when you do estimating, what you do is you use rounded numbers. Use rounded numbers to make your calculating easier. Okay? Using rounded numbers to make your calculating easier. For example, what does it say here? A theater can seat 4 performances. A theater has 4 performances. The theater holds 424 guests. Estimate how many people can watch the show. You should jump for joy when the book says to estimate, because that means your life is going to be that much easier. It's going to make your math really easy. So in this case here, you know that the theater does the show 4 times. 424, nobody wants to take 424 and multiply it by 4 and do all that. But if you round 424, what's a logical thing to round 424 to? That would make your life easiest. Logically, Matthew, you'd round it to?
2 nearest 10.
I would go even more than that. 424 is pretty close to, John? Yeah, I would just go 400. And then 400 times 4 is pretty easy math. It's just 1,600. Now, you know, because you rounded down, will you actually be able to, would more or fewer people actually be able to see the show? Is this number going to be high or low? Low, because you know actually 424 can round. Okay, and you might actually get to be a whole nother 100 in there. That is kind of what it means. Let's see another one. Here's one on a baseball theme. Lou Gehrig hit 493 home runs. And Frank Robinson hit 586. Frank Robinson hit 586. About how many runs did those 2 players hit altogether? About how many home runs did they hit together? But again, this, ladies and gentlemen, should put a smile on your face. Okay, because the book is telling you, they're giving you permission not to have to do the calculations all out, but to round the numbers and make it. And you know, really, when it says about, I really can't mark an answer wrong unless it's way out of range of what it would be. Okay, because about means you're just giving me basically close to what it would be. And 493 would be awful close to what? 493, Joseph, is close to 500, and 586 is close to, Joseph, 600. And that's not too bad a math right there, which is 1,100. Now, had Joseph did 500, would I mark it wrong? No, because he's still, just because his estimating was a little different than mine, I would still have to give that to him because that is about close. Okay, you wanna do this kind of within whatever reason works easiest for you. I mean, you could tell me they hit 0 home runs if you rounded this to 0 and that to 0, but that wouldn't make a lot of sense, would it? Or you could tell me they hit 2,000 because this would round to 1,000 and that 2,000, but you don't want to do that either. So there has to be some semblance of logic. You have to think a little bit. So that's enough of that. I can't talk too much anymore.